Hello, my name is Tiffany Cogdell. I want to share an amazing opportunity with you about a company called My Econ. It is the personal financial success company. We are having an incredible holiday promotion going on right now. Let me first introduce myself to you. Further, I am EVP in my econ and also CEO and founder of a company called That Makes Sense, here to just help people make sense of their finances. Since I've been a part of my econ, I've been able to pay off my car in just 23 months. I've started increasing my emergency fund, contributing more towards my retirement accounts. I've started investing, which has been really, really exciting. And I have cash flowed over $30,000. You can look me up and find my website at thatmakesense.me. So, more about my econ. It is a 15-year-old debt-free technology-driven company based out of Atlanta, Georgia, and it has helped its associates increase their cash flow by over $500 million. So again, the company has not made $500 million, but this is money that it has placed in its associates' pockets just from implementing strategies that we're going to talk about in just a moment. So let's define personal financial success, first of all, so that we can be on the same page. So, personal financial success is simply having enough cash flow to support our lifestyles. And we have to have enough cash flow to support our working years, but also we have to build up enough assets to support us in our retirement years. So there are some barriers to financial success. So let's look at a few of those. We see our Grinch up here, not very happy. So some of our barriers include one, inflation. What we used to buy for $1 or $5 10 or 20 years ago, we could barely even get it now. When I go to the store and see the prices of sodas or bread or just simple stuff, what it used to be even 5 years ago has completely changed, and so many prices have risen since then. Gas, as we know, yikes, it keeps going up, but our paycheck doesn't keep going up to accommodate it. High taxes, many people pay high taxes, so many taxes being taken out of our paycheck. Debt, which is such a robber, will rob you of your financial success and keep you from just being successful in your future if you allow it to. Another financial barrier is big businesses. There's so many holidays, like from January through December, tons of sales, tons of things that you can buy. Everybody's having a sale, seems like all the time. So your emails are full of junk mail and sales and all of that. But we spend lots of money on big businesses, and rather than investing to own businesses, we are buying things that may not always help us. And another barrier are banks. When you don't know what to do with your money, you put it in the bank, you earn an incredibly low interest rate on it. And when you're not properly managing your finances, you get hit with overdraft fees, while the bank take your money, invest it, and get a high percentage of return off of it. So lots of barriers, but not to worry. We have a solution for you. Our simple solution is this: we want you to have more cash flow, and we want you to have smart financial strategies. So we have an income shifting membership, the same way Netflix has a membership, the same way your gym has a membership, and lots of companies have memberships. We also have a membership that will help you earn business income. So let's look at some of the things that are included in our membership and things that we teach. First of all, we teach employees or associates how to correct their tax withholding simply because over 80% of employees have too much money withheld from their paycheck for taxes. Could you use an extra $200 to $800 in your paycheck simply by correctly filling out your W-4 form? You may be able to receive money back, more money back in your paycheck rather than later on as a tax refund. What the government does is take your money and invest your money and get a high rate of return on your money when you can be doing the same thing with your money. And we show you how to do that. Another strategy we teach is how to minimize your taxes. So there's two tax systems in America. One is for employees, the other is for business owners. We have software. One is called the Cash Flow Manager. It allows you to track your income, your receipts, your expenses, your business miles. So when you own a home-based business, you are available or you have the ability to write off many things. There is a book called 475 Tax Deductions. So there are plenty of tax deductions of things that you already do anyway that you can write off as business expenses. For example, if you have a vehicle, you probably drive it, so you can use your vehicle. When you drive it for business miles, you can write off those miles. If you have a cell phone, I'm sure you use it anyway, so you can use it for business and use it as a tax write-off for the portion that you use it for business. If you have a home or rent a home and you have a home-based business, you can write off a portion of your utilities and your space based on the percentage that you use it for business. So lots of things that you do anyway. If you pay your children allowance or if you buy things for your children and you have a business, you can pay your children up to $12,000 and it's tax deductible. So we teach all of those strategies. What if you could lower your taxable income by 4,000 or even 8,000? Or how about 12,000? So I recently, when I did my last year's taxes, I was able to lower my taxable income. I had over $12,000 worth of tax write-offs just by using our cash flow manager to track my expenses. Minimizing your taxes can also help you qualify for financial aid if you or your child doesn't already, have a bachelor's degree. I work in financial aid, so I see this all the time, or I see people not taking advantage of this. Budgeting and debt elimination, which is one of my specialties. By budgeting alone, I have helped the majority of my clients save well over $1,000 per month. Yes, per month. In their check. That's $12,000 over that a year that many people have been able to save my clients um, by this strategy alone. So, of course, by shifting that money back into their household, they were able to eliminate debt. We also have software to help you do that as well. We want to help people build great credit. Poor credit can cost thousands of dollars in high interest payments. It can also cost job opportunities as they run your credit to determine if they are going to hire you or not. And it prevents you from paying higher insurance premiums. We teach you credit utilization, credit mix, credit history, how to acquire new credit, and how to properly dispute negative payment history. Most credit companies, when they repair your credit, they only focus on properly disputing negative payment history. So where does that leave everything else? You have to work on the utilization, the credit mix, the history, and new credit. They only focus on one area. We teach you all of the areas, and you can do it yourself. Another important strategy is investment education. So it's very important to understand investing and the terminology. So we teach the strategies and how to maximize your return on investment. And rather than, as I said earlier, rather than just being a consumer of good, be an owner of stocks and companies so that you can earn a part of the company. We have an incredible compensation plan. We have the fastest pay system out there. You have the chance to earn up to $25 on personal enrollees and up to $15 on team enrollees. You can also earn $8 a month residual income on each active membership sale. So as you share with people your testimony or your promo of what you've been doing, I've been increasing my credit score and building my credit. I've been reducing my debt. I've been increasing my emergency fund. So as you share with people and they sign up in the membership, you get paid. You get paid while you're improving your finances. Is that not crazy? Just a chart of what this looks like, the compensation plan. Let's just say you enroll 10 people a week on your team. That would be a weekly pay of about $250. Yearly, that would look like 500 enrollees on your team, which would bring in a monthly residual. Each month, you would be receiving $3,500. What if you brought in 250 enrollees? Again, not just you, but just on your team. That's a weekly pay of 6,250, yearly total enrollees of 12,500, and monthly residual income of $100,000. We also have healthy products and travel. And so 60% of the personal retail sales you will receive, as well as 35% of your team retail sales. Again, you receive upfront weekly commissions, plus you have the opportunity to receive residual income, which is amazing. So again, you receive when you sign up today our tax withholding training, our credit system, which helps you build, repair, and maintain your credit, investment education training, our cash flow manager app, which allows you to track your receipts and expenses, our debt elimination software, and many valuable tax benefits. This comes with a personalized website, plus our world-class business system and our membership. Normally, it's the startup investment is $99.95, but we're running our incredible holiday promotion, which the first month you would pay $27.95 to start. Each month after that, just $34.95 to improve your finances. So get back with me. You'll see my link down below. So click on my link. You can also call me, text me, or email me any questions that you have. Thank you for taking the time to watch this, and happy holidays to you. God bless you.